what do you need after a very tiring day? Sleep, of course, and you have something. Ta-da! Look at this! Okay, let me hop in. So yes, as I told you, like after this, all the tiring stuffs that you did all over the day, you just need a comfortable bed and you need to sleep. And you see the pillows out here. It's almost a 7 feet ka bed, and you can see it can almost accommodate like 3 people, so they can sleep aram se, I can believe. And let me show you something else. Like we do have the bed light as well. We do have it. You can switch it on if you want to do some, book reading or anything stuff. And you can see like it's the rain droplets out there, and look at the ambience. I mean, just if I sit over here, like read a book, or if I'm just relaxing out here with a coffee mug or with anything, and just imagine if you have like mountains all over and you just look at the scene. It's so peaceful. Now let me show you something else, guys. And look, you can see this as I lift this up. And of course, if you want to look into the nature, like it's raining right now, and I want to see the live rain, so you can enjoy it. And as I told you, I have this as well, like this light. Look at it, it looks so good. And if you want to stargaze in the night, especially all the nocturnal creatures, we can do stargazing. Like if you're going to any dreamy locations out there. So I think everything this thing suffices it all. And look into it. You do have more plugs out here. You can switch the light on, and then you have this partition. Then you can, there are so many lights on and off, and you can sleep peacefully. And if you look into the ambience, trust me, like it looks so luxurious, comfortable, and beautiful. You feel like you're inside a resort. So yes, I believe this exactly looks like what home should look like, and I feel everyone must try this. Every travel lover, everyone around the globe should come here. Like I'm gonna have a very peaceful sleep after having a tiring day.